Hi guys, it's me, AZ Cabbie Mama. If you like Cabbies nearly half as much as I do, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for joining me here in my doll room and on my channel. The first thing is my very first purchase that I made as a club collector member other than a doll. So I did have the opportunity, as I showed you, to get a CCE kid, which is a club collector exclusive kid, which they're kind of hard to come by. You're not guaranteed to get one of those kids. They are up on the website sporadically. You have to kind of stalk the website if you want to get one and hope you're going to get one that strikes your fancy. And yeah, they're hard to come by. But anyway, I did get one of those already that I showed you. Actually, the other day I was checking early in the morning and I was able to come across another one. They're both mocha kids, which that might be my favorite skin tone. I love the mocha kids. And I haven't had the chance to show that one to you yet. So that one will be coming up probably next week in the video. I'll let you guys stay tuned for that one. Have that one be a surprise for you guys. I was hoping to get a cream colored kid next, since I do have the mocha already in the CCE. But you know, what are you gonna do? I have two beautiful mocha kids that I'll be having join the collection, and I kind of feel like, you know, it seems like you get what you can get your hands on for the CCE so far, and you're really lucky if you get that one that would be your top pick. That probably hasn't necessarily happened for me, but I'm really appreciative of the beautiful work of art CCE babies that I was able to get my hands on. So yes, that's that. But what I'm about to show you is my first CCE purchase that is a non-baby item. So I saw this on the website, and I did learn from watching a video on another collector's channel that I guess this used to be something that you were given as just joining the club, but now you had to purchase it. So that was a bit of a bummer. And I did think, you know, the price was a little bit high, because I know that these binders you can get for very cheap. I mean, without the printing, they're like, they could be $1 probably at Staples, or $2. I'm a teacher, so I know these binders are not expensive, these type of binders, but it was special to me to be able to get it with this printed on it. And I thought it was a good investment to have. When you have as many babies as I do coming from Babyland, you want a way to be able to organize your papers. I had all these envelopes. They were in a drawer, and they were under some doll clothes in the drawer. They, you know, I didn't have them labeled, so if I wanted to search for a particular baby's adoption papers and birth certificate, it was like opening them all. So I am really excited that I got this to organize their papers. So here is actually my CCE kid, who's right on top. I didn't put them in any particular order yet, which I probably will, but I put them in so that I have the birth certificate showing on one side, and then on the other side is the adoption papers. And then in the middle I put the receipt, so you can't really see that because I don't really want to display that. So it's kind of nice that I can just kind of thumb through and see them. I'll show you. I have some of the older kids in here too. Here's another one. Here's one of my babies. I think this is a newborn baby that I had from the 80s. And let's see. I know I don't have all of my kids' papers. There's a couple that I am not sure what drawer those papers ended up in, so they're not in this binder yet. Here you can see I have my Babyland exclusive kids in here. Ross and Demelza after Pull Dark. I wanted to see if I could find my U babies in here. I clearly didn't organize these yet, guys. Oh, here's one of my U babies. I'm trying to look at them. Two of my U babies have birth certificates that they came with. Oh, here's the two U babies. Okay, so This one is from 1981. This is the blonde. She's back there on the shelf. I don't know if you can see them from here, but I've posted pictures in the groups before for them. That's Sarah. That's my blonde you baby. She's from 1981. And this is Nina. She's the gold hair you baby. And she is a 1982. So anyway, it's really exciting for me to be able to start to organize my papers. I even have a couple of these thrown in there too. So I don't have everything completely thrown in and organized yet, but I was excited to get that. It would have been nice if it could have been a free gift with the membership. I think that would have been really cool to still get that. I don't know if there's any free gifts that you get anymore unless you go to an event, because this is my first year being a member, but I was still excited. I mean, it wouldn't have been so bad if it wasn't for the shipping price that you had to pay. So it was kind of expensive. I think it was like $20 or $25 by the time you paid the shipping to get it here, which is a lot for a binder this price. You know, but to get it once is pretty cool. I'm gonna admit, I might, if I had to do it again, color photocopy the front of this and just make my own next time. Is that wrong to say? Because that is kind of pricey, you know, for the binder, but I was excited. I'm still excited about it, so I love it. It was worth it for me to do it that once. My next thing I have for you guys, I've been waiting for this all day, all morning. I'm here in Arizona right now. It's almost 1:30. And so I've been like checking that tracking, checking my front door. I got all like uptight because I saw the FedEx truck go by and not stop. And then I'm like, oh yeah, calm down, girl. It's coming UPS. Just calm down. Because I was like, just like, where is this baby? I'm really excited about her. She is one I've wanted in my collection for a while. She's one from Babyland. I have a Babyland package here. But I really wanted a violet-eyed baby, and there was one up the other day, and so I snatched her up, and I'm excited to see her. I haven't peeked yet. I did pre-cut the tape, as I always try to do now, you know, to save a little bit of time, but I'm gonna open her up right now with you guys, and I'm so excited. Okay, let's bring the box over. Spray it box. All right. I couldn't see you guys there for a second. All right, so she's got such a pretty outfit, I thought too. It's such a cute little floral pink and white. It's so cute. Oh, she's cute. Take out the papers. Okay. Let's get her out of the very suffocating bag. This is always fun for me. I always like to joke that she's like coming out of Mother Cabbage again. Oh, she's cute, guys. All right, let me fluff up her hair a little bit. She looks so beautiful. She's got a pretty auburn hair color and these beautiful violet eyes. I had all 3 dimples added again on her and freckles, and oh my goodness, guys, her hair's a little bit flat in her bow, and I love her outfit. Her name is Paula Suzanne. I didn't change her name. I just decided to keep the name this time. Guys, look at her. Isn't she cute? I've wanted a violet-eyed baby for a while. Now, I do think my Nutcracker set back there, they kind of have violet-looking eyes. They're the vintage softies, but I didn't have a modern softie with violet eyes. And of course, you know, I'm pretty picky. I'm kind of on the OCD type. I'm a teacher. I don't know if I find like for my teacher friends, a lot of us are on the OCD type, perfectionist types with some things, not with others, but some things. And so when it comes to my babies, there's some things I'm pretty particular about, like I'm not saying I would never want a quirky face, because I like quirky faces sometimes, but I like if the eyes are crooked, like probably not going for that. Like, I'm kind of particular, so even this morning I ordered another one, and I'm trying to put myself on a self-imposed ban as of today, because I have some trips coming up and other things, and I really need to start saving money. So probably not going to see as many unboxings. I do have some more coming, so you'll see more videos for a bit, but then after that I need to kind of ease it up here. But anyway, I was emailing Nurse Denise, and I was like, can I get a straight on picture of that baby, because I couldn't see the one eye and the hat was covering, and I want to make sure they're straight. Yeah, that's how I am. So this little girl, I think she looks awesome. There was one that I was checking out that had violet eyes that I really thought was just adorable. I loved everything about her, the hair, but she was on eBay. But the one I was just kind of cockeyed. It was like kind of crooked, you know? It was like just slightly off, and I just couldn't bite the bullet on it. I don't know. I wish I wasn't like that. It's a very annoying habit to be like that. I get it from my mom, and it's rough to live with sometimes. But anyway, this baby, she just like, I saw her and I'm like, she looks perfect. She's the one for me. So it's just a matter, I think, of finding the one for you. And I mean, they don't always have to be perfect, but they have to be perfect for you. And this one, I saw her and she was perfect for me, guys. I just thought she was so cute. That little face, that's Paula. So Paula Suzanne, and look at this shirt. It says, I am loved, which she sure is. Got her little name tag, her cute little skirt with the bow. And she's got these adorable little shoes, guys. And honestly, I might have already crocheted her a sweater to match. So hang on just a moment, and I'm gonna come right back on and show you how she looks in her sweater that her mama crocheted for her. These kids are just spoiled around here, I'm telling you. Okay, so we'll be right back, okay? She's gonna change, so we just need a little privacy for a minute, okay? We'll be right back. Call me crazy, but I thought with these beautiful violet eyes, we needed to incorporate some violet or purple into the wardrobe as well. So I made her this sweater to accent that. And then got her these little shoes. I thought they would look cute to kind of bring some purple into her look. So I absolutely love her. She's probably gonna quickly become one of my favorites because, oh my goodness, those eyes are just gorgeous. I just love her. So I want to show you her adoption papers really quick, and then I think that's about it for today, right, Paula? Yeah? All right, you sit here. All right, so as always, she came with her adoption papers. That's actually her birth certificate, showing her name, her date and time of birth, and my name as the mom. And then on the back we see the footprints, the thumbprints. It says artist left and right thumbprint. So and then it also tells you LPK 21 out of 2,993. So I guess that's her number, her little identification number. And then it gives you more information about the father, Xavier Roberts, and his date of birth and birthplace, and the mother, I guess that's Mother Cabbage, Della Frances Tolhurst. Is that Mother Cabbage? So, pretty cool. And then, of course, too, they always give you, in addition to the birth certificate, the adoption papers. And I'll just kind of cover up my address. But you get the idea, as always, the adoption papers. And I know most of you probably have some of these as well, so you're used to seeing these. But always exciting. So let's take one more look at this pretty girl. She's got this pretty headband too. That's her bow in her hair. And I just love this little outfit she's got. Oh, it's so cute. And I like, you know, the sweater too. I tried to incorporate the pink and the white of the outfit, but I wanted to add in the purple too. And I wanted it to be towards the top of the sweater, like towards the eyes, to bring the eyes out. It was very thought out as I designed the sweater, guys. Very thought out as I designed it. So, yes. And then, of course, you know, I thought these would be a great addition too. Because you gotta have your sneakers with your dress, right? Why not? But anyway, thank you for joining me as always in the doll room here and on my channel. If you want to see more videos, I'll keep doing them as long as you're watching. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and have a great rest of your day, guys. And we're going to say goodbye now. Bye. Say bye, Paula. Bye. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. And for more great Cabbie videos, please like, subscribe, and share.